Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea. So on our website, we have several different mazes that you can pick from and learn how to create following the walkthroughs that I've created. For example, this one, when you press the green flag, you make it so you can control the cat, and if you touch the side of the level, the black part, then it sends you back to the beginning of your maze. Now, your goal is to get all the way to the green square, and when you do, it will send you to the next level. After everyone cheers for you. Woot. Okay, so now I'm on the next level. So very basic maze idea, and you can learn how to create it using the link in the description below. Alright, so the neat idea that I want to show you is kind of like the maze game, except it's with a bee. And this particular project is by the Scratch username Peruka Animations. So this is called Bee the Game, and I include a direct link to this in the description below. So if I press the green flag, it starts some music, and I'm not going to play the music because of copyright. But if I move forward, my goal is to collect the honey without touching the environment. So for example, if I touch the leaf, then it sends me back to the beginning. Okay, so when I collect the honey, if I can make it through here, I made it. It will make it so that it eventually goes to another level. Okay, so now I'm on level 2. So it's just like the maze game in that you're trying to get to different levels without touching the walls, except you have to collect things in it. So I think this is a really neat idea, and if you are creating a maze game with some of the resources that are in the description below, maybe you can add in some things that people are supposed to collect while they are going through the maze. So if you create something like that, make sure to share it using the comments below, so that way we can check out your really neat idea. Maybe I'll share it in an upcoming episode. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.